साथ हुआ था तो भारत सरकार ने पाकिस्तान के साथ उठाया था। क्या इस बार ये मसला उठाया जाएगा?
The fact is that we do expect the Pakistani government to look after all their own citizens and people. After all, these are citizens of Pakistan. This is not something that the government is supposed to have condoned or supported. And we would hope that the Pakistani government would take the necessary measures to protect people from the exactions of a group like the Taliban. Since the Pakistani government is in effect at war with the Taliban in their own territory, I think it is safe to assume that the Pakistani government will have no sympathy for such demands from such people. We will obviously be following this with some interest, but it is essentially the responsibility of the Pakistani government to take the right actions in its own territory for its own citizens.
हिंदी सर। अच्छा चलिए
Okay, sir, sir,
इस बात छोड़िए, बात यह है कि मैं जो nuance मुझे मेरे vocabulary नहीं अच्छी नहीं।
Sir, in the same light, yesterday there was a comment by Mr. Yusuf Raza Gilani saying that it would be difficult to negotiate talks between India and Pakistan if there are human rights violations in Kashmir. Is Pakistan preaching something that they themselves cannot practice?
Look,
what is your opinion on this?
I don't think it would be right for us to comment on every remark that is made in the Pakistani media by a Pakistani official. I think the parameters are very clear. India has made it very clear that we are willing to engage, but that we expect certain very positive actions from the government of Pakistan to assure us that their territory will not be willfully used to do us harm. That is a bilateral relationship between two countries. What happens within our own country is our business and we'll take care of it. And they are certainly entitled to express whatever views they want to. But as far as a proper dialogue between two neighbors is concerned, we are doing this in the aftermath of the horrors in Mumbai at the end of November. And therefore, the message given by our Prime Minister to their President and by our government to their government at all levels has been a clear and consistent message. And that message is, take the necessary steps in your own country to bring to book those who perpetrated this horror on our soil, and then give us enough assurances through your own conduct that we will not have to fear this again. And then we certainly have a good basis for reviving talk. We have never been opposed to talking to our neighbors. On the contrary, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has been a fervent advocate of good relations with Pakistan. And he has made many steps. In fact, in Parliament he said, we will meet them more than halfway. But given that what happened in November came from Pakistan, the first steps have to come also from Pakistan.